How to get rid of back acne naturally at home. Acne is a bothersome and painful skin problem. But the problem can be much worse if you suffer from back acne. Acne on your back can make it hard for you to sleep and can slow the healing. Though it's painful and difficult to take care of, back acne can be treated with many simple home treatments. Here are some natural cures to quickly get rid of back acne. 1. Apple cider vinegar. One of the best natural ways to cure acne is using apple cider vinegar. It stops swelling and the bacteria growth which cause skin breakouts. It also helps even out the acid level of the skin, which is important to keep your skin free of problems. Mix 1 tablespoon of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar with 1 cup of water. Put this mixture on the troubled areas of your back. Wait 10 minutes, then wash it off with lukewarm water. Finish by putting on a light, water-based moisturizer. Do this 2 or 3 times a day until the acne is fully healed. Drinking apple cider vinegar every day can help keep your skin healthy from the inside. Add 1 teaspoon of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar and a little raw honey to a glass of warm water and drink it 2 times a day. 2. Tea tree oil. Another great way to treat back acne is with tea tree oil. This essential oil stops germs from spreading and brings down swelling. This helps treat acne. When used on the skin, the oil goes into the skin and helps dry out the acne quickly. It also lessens redness and swelling. Put 1 or 2 drops of tea tree oil on a cotton ball and dab it gently on the troubled areas of your back. Leave it on for 10 to 20 minutes, then rinse it off with lukewarm water. Do this once a day. You can also try mixing 4 or 5 drops of tea tree oil in 1 teaspoon of honey. Be sure to mix well, and then put the mixture on the troubled areas. Let it sit for about 15 minutes, then wash it off with water. Do this once a day. Note, those who have sensitive skin should not use undiluted tea tree essential oil. Mix 1 part tea tree oil with 3 parts water before use. 3. Borax. Borax is another natural way to cure acne. This is because it kills bacteria and other toxins in and on the skin. It also works to bring down swelling, which helps lessen the pain and soreness that comes with back acne. Put 1/2 teaspoon of borax powder in a bowl. Mix in 1 teaspoon of glycerin and a little water to form a paste. Put the paste on your back where you have acne. Let it dry fully. Wash the dry paste off with warm water, splash the area with cool water, and towel dry the skin. Do this 1 or 2 times a day. 4. Turmeric. Turmeric helps kill P. acnes bacteria, which cause acne. It also lessens swelling and pain. Turmeric can help even out the acid levels of the skin to keep it free from breakouts. Mix 1 to 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder and a little sesame oil to make a paste. Dab the paste on the area with acne. Leave it on for about 1 hour before washing it off. Do this 1 or 2 times a day for a few days. You can also drink turmeric milk 2 times a day to fight swelling and pain. To take turmeric milk, mix 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder in a glass of warm milk. 5. Oatmeal. Oatmeal helps treat acne because it can naturally clean your skin pores and take in the extra oil. It also cleans away dead skin and calms the swollen area. Mix 1 tablespoon of oatmeal with a small amount of water to make a paste you can spread. Wet the skin and rub the paste onto the area in circle motions. Let it sit for 10 minutes. Wash it off with lukewarm water. Do this 1 or 2 times a week. 6. Tomatoes. Because tomatoes have salicylic acid, they are helpful for treating acne. In fact, they help dry out the acne quickly. They also help lessen the pain and swelling that comes with acne, and helps fix skin damage at the cell level. Rub a slice of tomato on the acne area of your back for a few minutes, wait 10 minutes, and then wash it off with warm water. Do this twice a day. You can also make a mixture with 1 tablespoon of tomato juice, a few drops of lemon juice, and 1/2 teaspoon of raw honey. Mix it well and dab it on the area with a cotton ball. Wait 5 to 10 minutes and then rinse it off with warm water. Do this once a day for a few days.